Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. A very quick, short update here, and then we go live to the President of the United States, Donald Trump, for an announcement, an important announcement in reaction to today, everything that we've seen on the markets, and maybe some updates on Iran as well. So first of all, just very quickly, because we're going to be live with Donald Trump in about 10 minutes, let me give you an update on today. I'll be back, the Terminator on the thumbnail. I'll be back back in Coca-Cola. All of my Electrum members and my Discord members knew in advance what I was going to do. I took some profit. In fact, I sold all shares apart from one, a marker share, to remind me I don't need that to be there. It's in my history, but I can. It's nice to have it there. So I just come back. It keeps it on the top of my profile, just so I can see what's next. I took some profit. Why did I take some profit? Coca-Cola is still running. It's still going up. This is important to explain this. It's important this. I sold it. I made $3,000 in like 24 hours on top of the 14,000 and on top of the 24,000 a few days earlier. So it's plenty of profit, more profit than I deserve. So I took some profit. Why did I do that? Well, we've just learned that the Costa deal has been resolved. This is why the market is rallying on Coca-Cola, but it will take profit. You don't know when it's going to happen. All of a sudden, profit will go and voomp, and you'll miss it. That's it. So because I made so much money so quickly and so easily, and I know there'll be another pullback, even though I know Coca-Cola is going to $80 this year, because of the tariff uncertainties, because of the aggression in Iran that is looming, and many other things, and we've still not had the reaction yet to the Fed with Trump and everything else, and there will be a big reaction even when the new Fed takes over, because they'll test the Fed anyway. We've got many other catalysts that are going to drive the market down before we run. So at the moment, this is not a market to just sleep your way through it, buy and own it and forget about it. Of course, if you leave it for a year or two, you'll probably be up, but I want to make more money than just sitting around waiting. So I've taken my profit today, another couple of grand. And as you can see, I started with $5,000. I'm now at $298,000, 2,000 away from 300 grand. That's pretty smart, right? Nice. So I'm still in my XRP. I haven't sold that. If I had, or was going to, or intended to, all my Electrum members know exactly, and so do my Discord members. I just had a Discord live chat with everybody as well to give my thoughts and an update, so that everybody was prepared ahead of time, so they could also take profits if they wanted to. But you can see my XRP. I'm still in. I've got I'm up over $10,000 now. See, I'm up 2%, not much, but I'm up. I've got a buy order to buy some more. I'm not planning on selling this until I'm able to buy more, a lot more, at a lot lower. So I'll start doubling up to my buy orders. All right, so that's what's happening with XRP. So basically now I'm waiting for SGov to sell. I'm waiting SGov, my treasury bills, where I can earn just about 4%, to do absolutely nothing. I'm going to go there in a minute, but as you can see, I'm already earning $36.92. That was what I had before Coca-Cola, and that's in the last couple of days. So you see what I mean? I'm making money without having to risk it going back down again. So by tomorrow, when all these trades settle, it'll be somewhere in the region of about $60, $70 a day. Free money to do absolutely nothing. That's just Robin Hood money, uninvested cash. But once I go into SGov, it'll be slightly better than that. Not a lot more, but nevertheless, it'll be even more money. So that's why I've sold today. The Coca-Cola was all about the Costa deal. The Costa deal has got done, and now the market is digesting it. It's popped up a little bit. Now look, it's selling quickly, and it can sell really fast. It can drop below $70 again really quickly. And if it does, guess what? I'll be back. I'll be back, and I'll buy it again, and we'll just do it all over again. Now, there's nothing wrong with being a long-term investor. Long-term investor is great, but however, it's just not the right market for that right now. So you're missing out on opportunities by simply doing Nothing. All right. So what we're going to do, a couple of quick questions, and then we'll go over to Donald Trump. It's just live, just starting now. So live now. I've given you a little hint as well. I've dropped a little magic code on the thumbnail. See if you can work it out. Did you take profit? No. 68% of you decided to stay in, and that's absolutely fine. Nothing wrong with that, of course. If it goes back down again, maybe you buy some more on the way down. That's entirely up to you. But I am consistently interested in making profit. So shall we do it? There were 3 lots, so 130 trades. Let me do it now. Here we go. 130 trades. Let's update this now. 100. So it was 3 lots sold together. 130 trades and 125 wins. There we go. That's what it's all about on the screen now. There you go. Right. So what we'll do now is a couple of quick questions and then we'll go to Donald Trump. Let's go. No problem. I want bigger profit. You make bigger profit by making consistent profits in my book. Not taking any profits here. I'm in it for the long haul. Just don't be surprised if others do take profit and you find it under $70 by tonight. All right, evening all, I'm holding everything. That's great. That's good. No worries at all. When we've had our pullback, then I can start being a long-term investor again. Did I take profit? What profit? All my crypto halved in October. First it's buy, now it's sell. Make up your mind. One of our trolls coming in. Okay, good for you. Love the music, Martyn. Thank you, Adele. If we take profits, aren't the algos just going to run it up? Well, right now they're selling it off as I took profit. Love that. I can't believe the VIX is only 17. Let's go. Don't focus on the VIX. It's not going to help you. Let's go. Time to crash into that sugary drink, Adam. So true. Definitely, I'm not taking profits because I hold on. Good luck to you. I wish you the best. I bought low and sold high on Coke. Profit is profit. He has the right to sell when he feels to do so. I think Coca-Cola will dip again soon. Yes, I think you're right. It's doing it right now. It's doing it right now. There you go. It's going down quick alert. See? Yep. Up the stairs, vroom, down the elevator. That's what could happen right now. I'd imagine Coca-Cola will grow once the World Cup starts. Yeah, exactly. That's the summer. There could be a lot of corrections and crashes between now and then. All right, Yolanda, damn, I sold too much. Trump's live talking about milk. I'm waiting for the highlight, all right? Never a dull moment with Trump. Vocal, are you serious? What did Vocal say? US Mint suspends all sales of silver. That's not true. The way Martyn is getting profit is because he's putting so much in. It ain't got that sort of cheddar to play with. Yeah, but you build up to that. I started with $5,000. Now I've got nearly 300,000. Look, I warned you guys. There you go. Now your profit is all running away. Okay. Now we're going below where I sold it. Any profit is better than what the bank is giving you. Bloody hell. Yeah, $3,000. $3,000 in like 24 hours. 1% start adding up. They certainly do. Heck yeah, these gains are way better than any bank gives us. Absolutely right. I thought you meant taking profit. No. I haven't sold my crypto. There'd be no sense in doing that. Did you take profit on XRP? No, I didn't. XRP profit taking? No. Of course, if you are an Electrum member and a Discord member, you knew my trades ahead of time. You were warned about it. I told you, I discussed it. We had a live video call on Discord. And there goes Coca-Cola. No surprise, it's happening. Right. Okay, live now. There is the pin. It'll pin to the top. I'll give it to you now. We're going live to Donald Trump. There'll be more Q&A. And we've got a big premiere coming out on the closing bell as well. There is the link. We're going here. I'm giving you a little code on the screen. That's it from me. Join me right now. Stay right where you are. Click on the link. We're going live with Donald Trump, more Q&A, and then a big premiere on the hour. That's it from me. That was my update. Everybody in Electrum and Discord had that ahead of schedule, and Coca-Cola is now speeding up with its sell-off. I'll be buying back soon. I'll be back. Join me now for Donald Trump Live. Let's see what he has to say. I'll see you back very shortly in about 5 seconds. Take care of yourselves and each other.